Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. BTM here. Now, if you are a proud owner of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, then of course you know how important it is to have a case that not only looks good but also provides top-notch protection for your investment. Today I'm diving into the PUROOM Case designed specifically for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the question is it worth your money? Let's check it out. First up, let's talk about the design. Now, the PUROOM Case has a sleek, minimalistic look that perfectly complements the futuristic vibe of the Z Fold 6. It's available in different colors. Now, this case fits snugly without adding too much bulk, which is crucial for foldable phones like this one. The materials feel premium, combining durable polycarbonate back with reinforced edges for impact protection. And it has precise cutouts for the charging port, speakers, and hinge mechanism, ensuring everything is accessible and smooth to use. Now, one feature that I really like about the PUROOM Case is that the hinge protection. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 hinge is a critical and vulnerable part of the device. And PUROOM addresses this with a reinforced yet flexible hinge cover. It opens and closes seamlessly, providing 360 degrees of protection without restricting the folding motion. And I like that. Now, this is a big win for those who are worried about dust and debris damaging their phone's hinge over time. I have had that to happen with past Z Fold phones. Now, let's talk about the grip. Foldables can be slippery, but the PUROOM Case has a textured finish that adds just the right amount of grip without allowing it to slip, and it feels very nice and comfortable in your hand, especially if you're going to hold it for long periods of time. So whether you're using it folded or unfolded for productivity or gaming, this case might be the one for you. Now, as far as functionality is concerned, how about screen protection? The PUROOM Case comes with raised bezels around both the cover screen and the main screen. This extra lip helps prevent direct impact if you accidentally drop the phone face down. Additionally, the case supports wireless charging and power share, meaning that you don't need to remove it to charge the phone or your accessories wirelessly. So, is the PUROOM Case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 worth it? Absolutely. It offers a perfect balance of protection, style, and functionality, all while being lightweight and easy to use. So whether you're a casual user or someone constantly on the go, this case is an excellent investment to protect your foldable phone. Now, a link will be in the description below as to where you can go to cop this from a store. Now, let me know in the comment section what you think about the PUROOM Case. If you've enjoyed this video, help a tech brother out, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews like this. And while you're here, now check out this next video where I cover another important accessory. So click here and I'll see you there somewhere.